Hello. Today, I'm going to talk about our new support application called VSD Helpdesk. We will be using this application for all kinds of support. So, if you are stuck somewhere, have an issue, or face any problem, this is the application we will use to assist you. You can find VSD Helpdesk on both the Play Store and the Apple App Store. Open the store on your phone. If you are using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. If you are using an Android phone, go to the Play Store. Search for VSD Helpdesk and download the application. Once the application is downloaded, it will look like the one you see on my screen here. Open the app. Each of you will have your own username and password. Enter your username here. For example, I'll enter mine. And then enter your password. After entering your password, click Sign In. But also, there is an option called Forgot Password. This option is used by users who have an active username, meaning the email address is valid and working. If your email is active, you can use Forgot Password to reset your password. Click Forgot Password, and the application will open a page where you can enter your email address. Enter your email as shown here. After that, click Send Reset Instructions. The application will send a message directly to your email with instructions on how to reset your password. Go to your email, open the message, and reset your password. After resetting the password, return to the login page, enter your new password, and click Login. The application will verify your credentials. After that, the application will open a Terms and Conditions page, as shown here. You will see a welcome message, for example, Welcome Rebecca. Please make sure you read the terms and conditions carefully. At the bottom, you will find an option to accept the terms and conditions. If you tick the checkbox, the Accept and Continue button will appear. You will also see a Decline and Logout button. If you click Decline, it means you do not accept the terms, and the application will log you out and return you to the login page. If you click Accept and Continue, the application will take you to a page where you can set your new password. Remember, the first password was provided to you by me, which means someone else may know it. For security reasons, it is important that you create your own password that only you know. When setting your new password, make sure it meets the following requirements. At least 8 characters long, contains at least one uppercase letter, contains at least one lowercase letter, contains at least one number, contains at least one special character. Make sure your password meets all these requirements. Enter your new password, then confirm it in the confirmation field. Once you're done, click Save Password and Continue. After saving your password, the application will open and will be ready for use. At the top, you will see a greeting with your name. For example, Hi Rebecca. Below is the Search Ticket option. A ticket is any support request you raise when you face a problem while using the system. You can use the search bar to quickly find tickets by typing a keyword from the title or description. Next, you will see 3 cards showing ticket statuses: Open, In Progress, and Resolved. If I click on the Open card, I can see the 3 tickets that are currently open. I can open any of them to view the details. If I return to the home page and click In Progress, I will see all tickets that are currently being worked on, and I can open them as well. In the same way, if I click on Resolved, I will see the tickets that have already been resolved. Below that section, we have Recent Tickets. Here, you will see a list of tickets that you have created recently. Older tickets from a long time ago will not appear here, because this section only shows recent tickets. If you want to see all your tickets, there is a View All button. When you click View All, it opens a page showing all your tickets, including those created last year or even earlier. At the top of this page, you will also find a status filter that allows you to filter tickets by Open, In Progress, Resolved, or Closed. That's the home page. From the home page, the second section is the knowledge base. You can open it by clicking the question mark icon. The knowledge base contains short answers to frequently asked questions. You don't always need to create a ticket. Before doing so, you can check here to see if your issue already has a solution. If you find the answer, you can follow the instructions and resolve the issue yourself. Now, there are only a few articles because this is a demo version. In the live application, there will be many more articles covering common questions. You can use the search bar to quickly find articles. For example, if you want to know how to reset a password, you can type password, and all related articles will appear. Open an article to view the instructions. Some articles will also include attachments, such as PDFs, screenshots, or videos, to make the instructions easier to follow. You can also use filters to narrow down articles based on the system you're using, such as microfinance or general. The available filters depend on the system you use from us. For example, since I am using the microfinance system, selecting microfinance shows articles related to it, such as loan write-off or contra-entry voucher. Opening an article explains how that feature works in the system. If the knowledge base does not fully answer your question, you can then proceed to create a ticket. Now let's move on to ticket creation. You can find it by clicking the plus icon. This opens the ticket creation page. Here, you will enter the subject of your issue. For example, if you have a login problem, you can write invalid credentials. Next, select the product or system you are having an issue with. If you use more than one system from us, all of them will appear here. Choose the correct system so our support team can assist you faster. In this case, I will select microfinance. Your branch will appear automatically, or you can select branch if you're allocated to multiple branches. After that, choose the ticket type, such as login issue, error message, system problem, or any other option that matches your issue. Since this is a login problem, in our case here, I will select login issue. Then in the description, briefly explain the problem. For example, invalid credentials when logging in. After that, click Create Ticket. You will see a confirmation message showing that the ticket has been created successfully, along with a ticket ID. The app will take you back to the home page, where your ticket will appear under Recent Tickets. If you need to add more information later, you can open the ticket and continue the conversation. You can send a message, record a voice note, or add an attachment such as a screenshot or a video. For those who don't like writing, you can record a voice note like this. Once you finish recording, you send it. So your voice note will be sent. But also, for attaching, you will click Attachment. This software will request permission to allow access to record and take pictures. You allow it. After allowing, you select your attachment. You can write anything there as a caption, then you send. This helps our support team understand your issue better. When our support team responds, their reply will appear inside the ticket, and you will be able to see the ticket status, such as Open. That's how you create and manage a ticket. Now let's move to the Notifications section, found under the bell icon here. When you click the bell, it opens your notifications. All updates and announcements will be sent directly through this application instead of WhatsApp groups. Whenever a notification is sent, you will receive an alert on your phone. Opening the alert will take you straight to this Notifications section. Here, you can see your notifications listed. When you open one, you will see the title, the date and time, the message, and any attachment if available. You can also filter notifications to view all, unread, newest first, or oldest first, depending on how you prefer to see them. That covers the notification section. Next, let's move to Profile, which is found at the corner. When you click on Profile, this section will open. At the top, you will see the option to change your profile picture. Click the pencil icon to update your picture. You can either take a photo or choose one from your gallery. Select your image, crop it if needed, save it, and your profile picture will be updated. Below is the Customer Information section. Here, you will see your company details, the system you're using, and the branch you're assigned to. For example, if you are using the microfinance system, it will show your company name, the microfinance system, and your assigned branch. Next is Settings and Preferences. In this section, you can change the app theme, update your password, or log out. Under App Theme, you can choose Light Mode, Dark Mode, or let the app follow your phone's system settings. You can also customize the app's colors based on your preference. If you want to change your password, you can do so from the Change Password option. If you need to log out, simply click Log Out. Otherwise, the app will keep you logged in. This brings us to the end of the VSD Helpdesk application walkthrough. Thank you.